hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a sign-up form for a website on Mailchimp. The first thing you want to do once you're signed into Mailchimp, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Audience. After selecting Audience, you're going to tap on Sign Up Forms from the drop-down menu option. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you have a few options. You could tap on Form Builder and you could edit the Form Builder and you will be provided with a free URL which you can use to share your form, and you will be able to also share that form on their different email platforms, or you'll be able to share it to your email subscribers, better yet. You also have the option to create a pop-up form that you can embed on your website by tapping on Edit Pop-up Form. Or you can choose the popular option, which would be Edit Embedded Form, and this is basically a form that you'll be able to easily add onto your website. So for this example, I'm going to tap on Edit Embedded Form. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. Now to edit it, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Form Fields. And you can see the different fields at the moment that are currently added. If you would like to add more fields, for example, let's say you would like to require their address, you could simply toggle it on. If it is a case that you would like to remove one of the form fields, for example, let's say I don't want to require their last name, I could simply toggle it off, as you can see right there. Now, if we were to tap on back in the top left-hand corner, you can also tap on Settings from the left-hand menu option. From there, you can change the form title if you want. You could also edit the width by tapping on width right there. After doing that, you'll go back. Then from there, you can also tap on tags and you could add tags right here for the different email subscription lists that you have. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue in the top right-hand corner. After tapping on Continue, you will now be provided with a code which you can use to add onto your website. So you'll simply copy the embedded form code. Then for example, if I were to go onto Google Sites, just for example's sake, then let's say for example, I were to tap on blank site right here. All I would need to do is tap on embed, then select embed code, and I would paste in the code right here. Keep in mind, if you're using a WordPress website, all you would need to do is select HTML, and then from there, you'll be able to add the form also. And you can see how the form looks right there. And from there, I could adjust the size, and you can see my form has now been added. If it is a case that you would like to add a pop-up, you could go back. So you could simply tap on Returns to Form Listing. Then after doing that, you could simply scroll down. And from here, you could select Edit Pop-up Form. After you have tapped on Edit Pop-up Form, you can see how it looks at the moment. So you can see the basic pop-up form right here. Now you can edit it by going over to the left-hand menu option. And from there, you could tap on Text Style. You could change the font style and the font size if you want. You could also change the layout by tapping on Layout. You can see the different layout options right here. So for example, if we were to select this layout option, you can see it changes. So you can see that the picture is now on the left-hand side. If you would like the pic to be on the right-hand side, you can change it, as you can see right there, to the other layout. You could also tap on Settings, and by tapping on Settings, you can choose the date, how long you would like it to show for. You can also choose when you would like it to pop up, whether once someone visits your website immediately after 5 seconds or so on. You can also tap on banner settings and you could edit the banner settings for mobile. You can also select form settings right there. But for to edit this, you'll need to be on the paid plan. You can also tap on mobile banner so you can see how it looks right there. And you could also edit the mobile banner, so you could tap right here and you could edit the text information right there. You could tap on email sign up and you can also edit the text information. And if it is a case that you'd like to add another form field, you could tap on the plus right there. Let's say we'd like to require their first name also. You could tap on first name and you can see that it has been added. You can also edit the success page by tapping on success. You can make changes to the text that is currently there. Once it is finished and to your liking, we could tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how our pop-up looks. You can see how it looks right there. Now we're going to tap on exit, and then from there you will tap on save changes in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save changes, you can see here you can save your changes, but they are not visible on your site. If you like them to be visible, you can simply toggle it on right there. Then you will simply tap on save and publish. Now keep in mind that I could tap on edit right here where you see the name. Then I could tap on manage integrations. After tapping on manage integrations, I'll be redirected to a new page. And this is a website that I had created earlier and I had added earlier. So if I wanted to add it to my new site, I could simply do that. So I could scroll down right here and I could tap on manage your sites. After tapping on manage your sites, from here you could tap on add another site and you could simply paste in the HTML code onto your site to add it. It is as easy as that. So that is how you'll be able to create sign-up forms and how you'll be able to add them to your website. So I've shown you two different options, how to create the embedded forms, how to create the pop-up forms, and you can also use the form builder if you would like to share it with your subscribers. So if you already have a mailing list on Mailchimp, you can do that. Thank you for watching this tutorial.